Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I made the moving mouth. Alright, so first of all, you're gonna want a toothpick right here, wherever you want to put the jaw, really. I'm not gonna tell you, because it's your own thing. It's your own nightmare, sorry. So, you put a you put a toothpick there. After you do that, you glue it, and then you do it again to make sure it's good. Do it on the same side, right? And then you put that on the jaw. And we're mostly done. Just add details to it. So look. You see that? Alright. Oh, when you see it, it's pretty good. Alright, now I'm gonna put it on. So put my phone down. Obviously, I do it pretty well.